friends, my vacation just started and today I'm doing some backyard photography. So this is the summertime and it's so hot, so we kept some water in a tray there for animals and a fallen piece of jackfruit. So we can keep our camera here and take good photos from here. This is our dining table. So some squirrels and some birds have been coming here. Photography needs a lot of patience. So I'm waiting for other animals to come. Yeah, there's a squirrel is coming. This is the Indian palm squirrel or the three-striped palm squirrel which came to eat the piece of jackfruit in our backyard. It could have been a very great photo, but there is a plastic wire which is a distraction from the rest of the picture. So I repositioned myself and took another photo and it came out great. And this is a video of the Indian palm squirrel eating the jackfruit in our backyard. So I set up a camera here and two malabar and squirrels are sitting here. So beautiful. Wow. Malabar giant squirrels are really common in our backyard as they come to eat mangoes and jackfruits from our backyard. So these are some of the photos I caught of the Malabar giant squirrels in our backyard. I also located the nest of the Malabar giant squirrels in our backyard. I also caught some pictures of birds from our backyard. This is a babbler and this is a barbet. This is not a very great picture. If the barbet was closer to us, we would have got a better picture. This is the plum-headed parakeet. It has built a nest in a tree in our backyard and there are two of them. And this is the racket-tailed drongo and you can see the tail of it in this picture clearly. This is a woodpecker. It is not a very great picture. I also saw a hornbill. It was very fast moving, so this is the best picture I got. We also caught a number of pictures of reptiles. This is a mabuya and this is a garden lizard. And the following two are common green forest lizards. So by the way, I haven't edited any of the photos shown in this video. We even saw an Indian flying lizard. This is a butterfly I caught using my camera and it is called the spot swordtail. It is really beautiful. I used a point-shot camera which is of Canon to shoot all of the videos and photos shown here. So do try backyard photography at your home. The only thing you need to do photography at your home is a small camera or a phone with good quality lens and a lot of patience. Anyways, thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye!